I think it's still a baby. I just seen the mom come and feed it, one of the parents. I'm sure they'll come right back. So happy Monday. How you guys doing today? Hope everybody's feeling all right. I'm over here. I'm at the hospital, Garnett. Garnett, 707. It's the last place I seen my mother. I don't mind spending some time here. Let's see if this other bird comes back. What's up? Hey, buddy. I'm trying not to disturb him. Where's Mama? Where's Mama? See what I was trying to tell you? It's a baby. Wait. Like I said, this is the last place I see my mom.